Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook white rice in an instant pot. First, let's talk about the basics. The key to perfect rice is a simple 1-to-1 ratio of white rice to water. For example, if you're cooking 2 cups of rice, you'll need 2 cups of water. Remember to rinse your rice well before cooking. This step is crucial for achieving fluffy, separate grains and removing excess starch. Once your rice is rinsed, add it to the instant pot along with the measured water. Make sure the lid is securely in place and the steam release valve is turned to the sealing position. Now, set your instant pot to high pressure. The cooking time will be between 3 and 5 minutes, depending on whether you're using short grain or long grain white rice. It's that simple. After the cooking time is up, do not open the lid immediately. Instead, allow the instant pot to naturally release pressure for 10 minutes. This crucial step helps the rice absorb moisture evenly. After 10 minutes, carefully turn the steam release valve to manually vent any remaining pressure. Once the float valve drops, open the lid and gently fluff your perfectly cooked rice with a fork. Here are a few extra tips for consistently perfect results. If you prefer your rice a bit firmer, try reducing the water by about 1/4 cup for every 2 cups of rice. A small pinch of salt added to the water before cooking can also significantly enhance the flavor. And remember, patience during the natural release is key. Don't rush to open the lid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.